Look at this question. For what value of k the pair of equation has no solution? For what value of k the pair of equation has no solution? We studied consistency and inconsistency. So we are given two equations. One is 4x minus 3y equal to 9. 4x minus 3y equal to 9. Can I take this 9 to left hand side? Yes, no problem. 9 taken to left side becomes minus 9. Actually, this is the general representation of linear equations in two variables. X term will be there, y term will be there, a number will be there. Right side must be 0. The next equation is 2x plus ky. 2x plus ky. This 11 can be taken to left hand side. Becomes minus 11. The two equation has no solution. We studied in the previous class. Okay, in the last class we studied that the condition for no solution. For no solution, what is the condition? We studied the previous classes. That a1 by a2. For no solution, the condition will be a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This condition we studied in the previous classes. Actually, three cases we studied. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1, sorry, not equal to c1 by c2 is the condition for no solution. No value for x and y. a1 by a2 means the first ratio, b1 by b2 is the second ratio, c1 by c2 is the third ratio. a1 by a2 will be 4 by 2, correct? a1 by a2 will be 4 by 2 equal to b1 by b2 will be minus 3 by k, the second ratio. Don't forget to write the sign. b1 by b2 will be minus 3 by k not equal to c1 by c2. c1 by c2 is the third ratio, minus 9 by minus 11. Why want the value of k? So to find the value of k, you just equate first and second. If you just equate first and second, you will get the value of k. Clearly this is not equal to minus 9 by minus 11. I don't want this third one. If these two are equal, if you equate these two, you will get k. 4 by 2 is what? 4 by 2 is 2. 4 by 2 is what? 2. Minus 3 by k. So I have a equation. From first and second I will get k. Do the cross multiplication like this. Do the cross multiplication like this. We get 2k equal to minus 2. If you don't understand, please tell me. 2k will be minus 3. 2 is taken to the other side. 2 taken to the, sorry, right side is minus 3. 2k equal to minus 3. K, 2 is taken to the other side. K equal to minus 3 by 2. This 2 go to right hand side. K equal to minus 3 by 2. So the value of k will be minus 3 by 2. Look at this problem. Look at this question. This question is not there in textbook. It is a tough question. What is the question? Solve the pair of equations for x and y. I have two equations. I want to find x and y. I want x and y. I will discuss. Let me write some 3 or 4 steps. So I have two equations. One is the first one, a square by x minus b square by y equal to 0. Equation number 1. The second one is what? A square b by x plus b square a by y is equal to a plus b. This is equation number 2. I have two equations. I have studied elimination method in the beginning. The elimination method is much better, but there must be identical terms. Okay, there must be identical term. We can make the identical terms easily. Either consider first term or second term. Look here, either consider first term or second term. Look at these highlighted terms. They look very similar, right? They look very similar. This is b square by y, isn't it? Minus b square by y. This is plus b square by y into a. This is b square by y, but this is b square by y into a. So 1a is extra here. 1a is extra here. So I want to make these two highlighted terms identical. I want to make the term identical, then only elimination method is possible. For that purpose, listen, let me multiply the first equation by a. The left side and the right side I am going to multiply with a for the elimination purpose. Why I multiply with a? If you multiply with a to be taken inside the bracket, so this term will be b square a by y. A go to this, open the bracket, minus b square a by y. Here it is b square a by y. So minus b square a by y and plus b square a by y can be eliminated. Let me explain some extra steps, then I will interact with you. So the first equation is multiply with a for the elimination purpose. I want identical terms. Opening the bracket, a into a square a cube. A into a square is what? A cube. I am discussing tough question, not easy question. The chapter is already over. Now I am discussing indirect problem from this chapter. A into minus b square by y. B square a by y. Right side a into 0. A into 0, 0. Equation 1 modified. Equation 1 is just modified. The second equation is a square by b by x plus b square a by y equal to a plus b. Equation number 2. You understood the reason. For elimination, I need identical terms up and down. Okay. Now the next step is I want to add 1 and 2, then only elimination take place. Why we add instead of subtraction? See, minus of this plus this. If we add, it will be cancelled. Just like minus 10 plus 10 will be cancelled. I have to add them. So left side I am going to add a cube by x is there. Now it is not tough. The left side I am going to add a cube by x plus a square b by x. The left side is added. This term will be cancelled. You know that. This term will be cancelled. Right side will be what? 0 plus a plus b. 0 plus a plus b is a plus b itself. I want x. Now I have an equation containing x. Y is not there here. Adding these two are very easy because they have same denominator, right? They have same denominator. The common denominator will be x. The common denominator will be x. A cube plus a square b. Adding the numerators. A cube plus a square b. Right side is a plus b. Here in the left side, a cube plus a square b, a square is common. In these two terms, can I take a square common? Yes, a square is common. A square into, from a cube I have taken a square out. A cube, a square is taken out. A is left. From a square b, a square is taken out. B. A square into a cube, a square into b equal to a plus b. If the same terms are there in the left and right, you can cancel them. If you see same numbers in the left and right, you can cancel them. So a square by x is equal to 1. A square by x equal to 1. Cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. X into 1, correct? X into 1 will be a square. X into 1 will be a square. I got the value of x. Now I want the value of y. Okay, not completed. Got the value of x. Now I want y. To find out the value of y, substitute the value of x in any of the equation. Substitute the value of x in any of the equation. Let me substitute in 1. Let me substitute in 1. X equal to a square. Let me use the first equation, this one. I am going to put x equal to what? What is x? X is a square. So a square by a square. This will be a square by a square. Minus b square by y is equal to 0. A square by a square is 1. 1 minus b square by y equal to 0. This minus b square by y taken to the right hand side. Minus b square by y becomes plus b square by y in the other side. These are the simple steps. Arranging. Do the cross multiplication. Y into 1. Y into 1 will be b square. Y into 1 or y will be b square. So I solved it. X equal to a square and y equal to b square. These are the solutions. The question is, listen, I have two equations, 10 by x plus y. Let me write the equations as it is. 10 by x plus y. We give more priority to elimination method. Okay. Plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4, equation number 1. The second one is 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y. Clear? 5 by x minus y equal to minus 2. It is a tough question. I am discussing tough question today. Okay, it is appear to be a tough one, but I try to eliminate 10 by x plus y, 15 by x plus y. They are different terms. By addition or subtraction, it will not be eliminated. Here 2 by x minus y, 5 by x minus y. By adding or subtraction, they will not be cancelled. I want the identical terms up and down. Understood? Up and down, I want the identical terms. So here I can make the identical terms. I will discuss. Listen carefully. It is a tough question. Let me either make the first terms identical or make the second terms identical. Anybody? So by multiplying this one by some number, you will never get 5. You only think about multiplication. 2 into 3, will you get 5? No. 2 into 4, will you get 5? No. 2 into anything, will you get 5? No. So in the earlier question, what we have done, we multiply one equation by some number and make them identical. Here multiply this one by 3, 4, 5, whatever may be, you will never get 5. So what I am doing is, I will explain. Listen carefully. The first equation, both sides, not only single term, both sides I am going to multiply by 5. The first equation, both sides, I am going to multiply by 5. 5 into 2 becomes 10, correct? 2 into 5 becomes 10. And after that, there is a different technique here. The second equation will be multiplied by 2. 5 into 2 will be 10. So if you multiply by 2 here, this will be 10 by x minus y. This term will be 10 by x minus y. And 5 into 2 will be 10 by x minus y. So you will get 10 by x minus y and 10 by x minus y. The elimination is possible. So in some questions, the first equation as well as the second equation to be multiplied by some number. Let me write some extra steps, then after that you can ask your doubt. The first equation, both sides I am multiplying with 5. 5 into 10, 50, correct? 50 by x plus y. Let me write here in the right side. Five into 10 will be 50 by x plus y. Plus 5 into 2 will be 10 by x minus y. Five into 4 will be 20. Equation number 1. Is it okay? Maya, Lina, Samarde, all of you clear till this step?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the second equation is to be multiplied with 2. 15 into 2 will be 30. 30 by x plus y. Minus 5 into 2 will be 10. 10 by x minus y. Right side will be 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So first equation is multiplied with 5 and second equation is multiplied with 2. All of you clear? Understood? All of you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can see that 10 by x minus y and minus 10 by x minus y will be cancelled if you add them. 1 plus 2 gives these two terms cancels. 50 by x plus y plus 30 by x plus y will be 50 plus 30, 80. 80 by x plus y. 50 plus 30, 80. 80 by x plus y. 20 minus 4 is 60. Let me complete some steps. 10 by x minus y minus 10 by x minus y cancelled. Cross multiplication gives 16 into x plus y. Lengthy question I am discussing. 80. 60 taken to the other side. X plus y equal to 80 by 16. 80 by 16 will be 5. I got one equation, x plus y equal to 5. So next, x plus y equal to 5. I am going to substitute x plus y equal to 5 in either equation number 1 or equation number 2. I did not get x, but don't worry. X plus y is there in the first equation. I am going to substitute x plus y equal to 5 in the first equation. The first equation, this one. So 10 by x plus y. 10 by x plus y. X plus y is 5. 10 by 5 plus 2 by x minus y. X plus y is 5. 10 by 5 plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4. Ten by 5 is 2. 2 plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 4. This 2 can be taken to the right hand side. So 2 by x minus y is equal to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will be 2. Cross multiplication, 2 into x minus y equal to 2. Cross multiplication gives 2 into x minus y equal to 2. 2 taken to the other side, x minus y equal to 1. We got two equations. One is x plus y equal to 5 and other one is x minus y equal to 1. Let me write it. One is x plus y equal to 5 and other one is x minus y equal to 1. You can give another name for the equation because equation 1 and 2 already considered. You can give another name for these equations. I got x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. It can be easily eliminated by adding the 3 and 4. Plus y and minus y will be cancelled. X plus x will be 2x. X plus x will be 2x. Y cancelled. 5 plus 1 will be 6. 2 taken to the other side, x equal to 3. X equal to 3, substitute in 3, third equation. 3 plus y equal to 5 or y equal to 2. Plus a by b, y equal to a square plus b square and x plus y equal to 2ab. Find x and y. That is the question. How to do this problem? I will explain. It is a tough question. Listen, all of you please listen. Let me simplify this. Or you may go to, I think you better write the two equations together. The first equation is b by a x plus a by by equal to a square plus b square. I think you can reduce it before writing the second equation. I think you can simplify this. How? I will tell you. Before writing the second equation, I think we can simplify this. Let me add the denominators. The second equation does not have any fraction. The second equation does not contain any fraction. Only the first term contains fraction. So let me remove it. Multiply the denominator a and b. You will get ab. Do the cross multiplication. bx into b will be b square x. Ay into a will be a square y equal to a square plus b square. Is it okay? But nothing is cancelled. I thought that a square plus b square will be common in both the terms. I thought that a square plus b square will be common. So this method is appeared to be tough. By doing the cross multiplication, we are not getting anything. So let me avoid this step. I am not able to simplify. Let me write the equation once again. b by a x plus a by b y is equal to a square plus b square, equation number 1, and x plus y is equal to 2ab, equation number 2. Okay, the two equations are there. Can we eliminate any variable? Look here. This is a by b into y, but this is only y. This is a by b into y, but this is only y. Are they identical? No, they are not identical. I can make them identical by multiplying the second equation by a by b. Multiply the second equation by a by b. A by b into y, a by b into y. I can make them identical. So let me write the first equation once again. All of you please listen. B by a into x plus a by b into y is equal to a square plus b square. Equation number 1. The second one is multiply with a by b into x. A by b into x plus a by b into y equal to, right side will be a by b into 2ab. A by b into 2ab. Now a by b into y, a by b into y, they are identical. So equation 1 minus 2, I am doing equation number 1 minus 2. This will be b by a x minus a by b x. This minus this. Bx by a, let me write like that, minus ax by b. Here a square plus b square, these two are cancelled. A square plus b square minus this. Minus this. What is this? Here you see that b cancelled. This is 2a square. What is this? This is 2a square. It is actually a tough question. Listen carefully. Bx by a minus ax by b. You can do the cross multiplication. To do the subtraction, you have to do the cross multiplication like this. Bx into b, b square x. Ax into a square x. Denominator is ab. Right side is b square is there. Understood? B square is there. A square minus 2a square. A square minus 2a square will be minus a square. Is it correct? A square minus 2a square will be minus a square. Now look here. B square x minus a square x. X is common in both the terms, isn't it? X is common in both the terms. X can be taken out. B square minus a square by ab equal to b square minus a square. X is common here, x is taken out. In the next step, b square minus a square is common, cancelled. X by ab is equal to 1. See, b square minus a square cancel. X by ab equal to 1. Cross multiplication gives x equal to ab. Cross multiplication gives x equal to ab. Let me complete it. After that you can ask your doubt. I want y also. So I have an equation x plus y equal to 2ab, right? I have an equation x plus y equal to 2ab. I got x as ab. I am going to substitute x as ab here. The second equation becomes, putting x equal to ab plus y. ab plus y equal to 2ab. ab taken to the other side, y equal to 2ab minus ab. That is y equal to ab. 2ab minus ab will be ab. So I got the values of both x and y, x equal to ab and y equal to ab. Please remember all these questions. These are the previous year's question. Okay, look at this. Solve by elimination. Solve by elimination. This is not a tough question, but first step you have to understand. Okay, first step. In elimination method, what we do is, the variables both x and y should be there in the left side. I have already discussed with you. When you do the elimination method, both variables x and y should be there in the left side. So in the first equation, y to be taken to left side. I want both variables in the left side. Y is taken to the left side. So 3x minus y equal to 5, equation number 1. The second, no change. 5x minus y equal to 11, equation number 2. We have to solve it. We have identical terms. Initially we have identical terms, minus y and minus y. So if the same terms, we can subtract them, don't add. If it is plus y and minus y, if it is plus y and minus y, if we will add it. But this is minus y and minus y. On subtraction, minus y will be cancelled. So either do 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. Either do 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. I am doing 2 minus 1. So 5x minus 3x will be there. 5x minus 3x is what? 2x. Minus y cancel. 11 minus 5 is 6. 2 taken to the other side, x equal to 3. You can substitute x equal to 3 in any of the equation. Let it be first one. I am going to put x equal to 3 here. 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 minus y equal to 5. Minus y go to the other side. Y equal to 4. X equal to 3 and y equal to 4. Please solve this question within 2 minutes. Look here. We have to solve by elimination. This is the previous year question. There is a 0, equal to 0 is there. We prefer only variable to be there in the left side. Only x and y to be there in the left side. We prefer that. Only x and y to be there in the left side. That is much convenient, right? So what I am doing is, this minus 7 to be taken to the other side becomes plus 7, correct? Why? Because I want variable, only variable in the left side for elimination method. Can I take this 1 to the other side? Yes. 2x plus 5y equal to minus 1. Let it be equation number 2. Similar to previous question, but let me complete it, okay? It's because it is a previous year question. So elimination possible, minus y plus 5y. First equation to be multiplied with the plus 5. First equation to be multiplied with the 5 becomes minus 5y. So minus 5y plus 5y. We can easily eliminate. So the first equation is multiplied with the 5. You may show the step here like this. Equation 1 is multiplied with the 5. 5 into 3x will be 15x. 5 into y will be 5y. 5 into 7 will be 35. Same name, no problem. The second one is 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 1. Now the elimination is much easier. 1 plus 2. Left side to be added. 15x plus 2x is what? 17x. Minus 5y plus y cancelled. 35 minus 1. 34. X equal to 34 by 17 or x equal to 2. X equal to 2, substitute in any of the equation. Substitute x equal to 2 in any of the equation. Let it be first one. X is 2. Let me put x equal to 2 here. 3 into 2 will be there, correct? 3 into 2. 3 into 2 will be 6. Minus y equal to 7. Minus y go to other side, 7 go to this side. 6 minus 7 is equal to plus 5. Or y equal to minus 1. So the answer is, solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. Please write down.